Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Lexus RX 350 dashboard. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need 2 clean microfiber cloths, a gentle interior cleaner, and a soft detailing brush or a small vacuum. Begin by removing all loose items from the dashboard surface. Then, use your soft brush or vacuum to carefully clear away any dust, dirt, and debris from the dashboard and its crevices. This initial step is crucial for a thorough clean. Now, let's move on to deep cleaning the dashboard. Take your interior cleaner and spray a small amount directly onto one of your clean microfiber cloths. It's important not to spray the cleaner directly onto the dashboard itself, as this can lead to oversaturation and potential streaking. Gently wipe the dashboard surface in small, overlapping sections, ensuring you cover all areas evenly for a consistent clean. After cleaning, it's time for the finishing touches and protection. Take your second clean, dry microfiber cloth and gently buff the entire dashboard surface to remove any remaining moisture or streaks, leaving a smooth finish. For long-term care, apply a high-quality UV protectant. This will help shield your dashboard from harmful sun rays, preventing cracking and fading over time, keeping it looking new. Maintaining a clean dashboard is simple with a few regular habits. Aim to perform a light dusting weekly using a dry microfiber cloth. This prevents dust and dirt from accumulating. It's also wise to address any spills or marks immediately, as prompt action can prevent permanent stains. Consider keeping a small, dedicated microfiber cloth in your vehicle for those quick, daily wipes, ensuring your dashboard always looks its best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.